The other end of the cigar is what we call the cap. So there's a cap to the cigar. If you treat it like a body, there's the cap, there's the shoulder where it starts to round off, shoulder, and then this is the body of the cigar, and the end of it is what you would call the foot of the cigar. So the cap is what you need to cut off. You need to cut off the cap. You don't want to cut too much. You want to cut it around at that shoulder. Now, once the cigar is cut, you can, what they call, no pun intended, wet the tip. You can give yourself a little dry puff if you would like. Then you're going to take your flame and put it towards the end of the cigar. And as the flame is at the end of the foot of the cigar, you're going to puff, not inhale. You're going to puff and not inhale. So you're going to draw on it and let the smoke come back out. So as you can tell, I'm puffing. Now, the entire foot of the cigar is not lit. So as you're lighting, you possibly want to also turn it. Now, some people get real fancy and they blow on the foot of it. But from here, you just enjoy your cigar. So I tell, I'm not inhaling, I'm simply puffing.